Well done, boy. A big round of applause to Sunny and Chance over there. Now, good afternoon, birds with an incredible power of flight descended from the age of dinosaurs millions and millions of years ago. They come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, sizes, and even habits. Now, there are more than 9,000 or so species of these birds occupied in every single continent of our planet. And one of the most beautiful and intelligent of these birds are the macaws. And I have a great friend to showcase to all of you. Scott, right over there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Simba, our hybrid macaw. Simba over here is extremely handsome, just like myself, and macaws like Simba have excellent eyesight. That's what we're going to prove to all of you guys today. Alright, Simba, get your start over there. Now, what we have are 3 silver bells. 1, 2, 3, and an orange object. We're going to play this orange object under one of these bells, mix them up, and Simba is going to cover the hidden object for us. Alright, Simba, pay attention. The colors your body, right? Okay. Hey, Simba, over here. Here I am mixing up the bells. Were you paying attention? You were, huh? Now this is why we like using on show. He always gets it right and also make it look good. Alright, Simba, since you see all ready, let's show them how good you really are.
Hello.
Hey, what are you doing outside?
I can take this myself.
No. Your turn is after Simba Bell segment. Like how we rehearse every time. Yeah, you're not supposed to be out yet. Go back in. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I promise you it won't happen again. Alright, Simba.
No. But they all have already seen me. I'm also a camera.
So?
Can I make a fast introduction? Very fast one.
Fine, we can introduction.
Hi everyone. Hello. Sorry, Nara. Bye.
Hey! What was that?
So, introduction.
That was your introduction? You take a look at all the children's faces and the gentleman in red was laughing at you. That's not how you do an introduction. Come over here. Let me show you how it's done. Stand right there. Down the line. Okay, stomach in, chest out, smile. Now, standing right here on stage with me today is a fellow bird trainer and a very good friend of mine. This is Dory! See? Here, Dory is Nara, another hybrid macaw just like Simba over there. But if you notice their colors, it shows you that hybrid macaws come in a wide variety of colors, depending on their parentage, of course. Now, all of you ladies have you curious? Let me way back now. Come over, Simba. Show them how it's done. This way.
Yes.
Go back!
No, I want to ask you one more question.
What do you want?
Why does your Simba get to do this every single day?
Well, I told everybody that Simba over here have excellent eyesight.
But my Nara is a macaw too.
Yeah,
She also has excellent eyesight.
correct. But can your Nara do this?
Nara, will you do this?
Why? Saw her doing it. You like her? Simba over here, he follows my good example. I taught him how to be a perfect gentleman. Seeing that Nara is a lady, ladies first. Give all yours, ladies. Now, why do these macaws need to have excellent eyesight? Dory! Hey! Dory! Stop hiding behind the table. I can see you. Hey, what is this?
Sorry, it's a slight mistake.
Slight mistake. Hey, we're performing live. You're on camera. You're not supposed to make any mistakes. And opening all 3 bells, anybody can do, even a chicken.
I get a chicken.
I don't need a chicken. Hey, this is embarrassing. Okay? Please settle this. Settle this.
I will talk to her.
Yeah, talk to her. Talk to her. Look at the actual camera. Please go and leave.
Why you embarrass me
Sorry
for
about
so
that.
many birds?
She she alright?
She's fine.
She's fine. Nara Dash is a drama queen. Whenever Gauri gets angry and whips out a gun, she likes to play dead in self-defense. Nonetheless, the ladies try very hard. A big round of applause to Nara. Better luck next time. We'll see you later. Now, Gauri, instead of myself or yourself who mix up the bells like we do so every single day, we have children in the audience. Why not we get one child to come up right here and help us mix up the bells? Any child like to volunteer? Anyone? There. Over there? Alright, come on over here. Come over here. That's good. Get one volunteer. Go. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Alright, careful, don't run. Okay, okay, I just need one. The two of you to stand there first, okay?
Come on over here. Okay. Hold the bell. Sorry, hold the object.
Hold the object. Các bạn can see that not?
Okay, so
Can Alright.
now.
As you can see, only Sipa is one can do. Done?
You want me to stop? Mr. Gary, when you want me to stop? Stop?
Stop.
Alright.
Okay. Come over here, young sir. Come over here. Now, since you're the one that helps me to mix up the bells, you get to pick Sipa. So what I need you to do, open up your hand. Alright? Open up your hand. The count on 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. That's it for you to see. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for young brave volunteer and two of his bodyguards. Thank you. Now, Sipa, come over here. Remember, you cannot embarrass me how Nara embarrassed Gauri, right? If you are all ready, let's show them. Ta-da! Yeah, you because like Sipa has excellent eyesight. Now, to see what excellent eyesight they have, we're going to show you how fast they can be on that tiny little piece. Coming right up, we are going to have a race, and I'm going to introduce to you my champion, who's coming up right over there. Right, first of all, let's set up. Thank you very much. You're very wet today. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rocky. And Rocky is a Green Wing Macaw and he's the resident basketball champion of Sentosa. We're gonna have a basketball race later on. And like all challenge, we do need a challenger. So, Gauri,
Yes.
who's the challenger for today?
Our challenger for today is Sugi.
Yeah, look at. Woo! I do need to bring out echo, right?
Echo. Let's go to the beach.
What's the sabotage this? Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the challenger is the very beautiful Suki. Suki is another Green Wing Macaw just like my Rocky over here. But, more importantly, Suki is Rocky's girlfriend. Now you understand why they cannot be in the race together? Just because she's your girlfriend, don't let her win the race, understand? Okay? Now, we're gonna have a basketball race. Each bird receives 3 basketballs and a net. The fastest bird to put all 3 balls into the net will be declared the winner. This is where all of you take part in the action as well. You guys are going to be our cheerleaders, right? But before that, let me warm you guys up. Even though the weather is a bit warm today, let's just warm up a bit more, right? At the count of 3, I need you to shout, "Hooyah!" Again, right? 1, 2, 3.
Booyah!
Come on guys, can do better than that. Let's try this one more time, alright? 1, 2,